In ProPresenter 7, it's easier than ever to set up and control edge-blended projectors. To get started, let's go to Screens and Configure Screens. Here you'll see that our main output currently is set to a single screen, but let's change this to Edge Blend. Now, edge blending requires 2 or more projectors to make one large seamless projection image. Now, you can change the number of devices that you want to edge blend here, and we can go up to 5 different screens to create one ultra-wide projection image. Now, to select what projector you're going to use, you need to select a screen and then choose which output device you want to use. You'll see all of your currently connected system devices here, or you could choose from an NDI source, siphon sources, or set up placeholders if you're working on this in advance before you hook up to those projectors. I'm going to choose this screen as our first projector, then I'm going to select this other screen, and I'm going to choose this output as our second projector. Now that we have our 2 outputs selected, we can start adjusting the blend area. So not only can you select your 2 screens, but you can select the center blend region, and this will show you our blend width, which we can increase or decrease. And you'll notice that as we increase or decrease this, it changes the final output of our screen. So if you have a specified size you want to hit, you can change your blend to be perfectly the size that you're looking for. And then you can go in and say, what mode is this blend area? Is it a linear fade between? Is it quadratic or cubic? And then you can change the radius and intensity to adjust what's happening there. Also, you can go in and change color adjustments for the left and right screen when you have your center blend area selected. Now let's look at how to do this if you are using a dual head or triple head to go device. Now, to demonstrate this, let's use a placeholder, and I'm going to make this 5760 by 1080 or a triple wide 1080p screen. So now if we wanted to turn this into a edge blended screen, what we would need to do is go down to Edge Blend, and instead of using these full screens, what we're going to do is we're going to use different output targets of each one. So instead of using the full output target here, I'm going to use a 3:1 grid. And then I'm going to change my devices to 3. So now I have 3 different screens here. This is using the left third of that triple wide screen. I'm going to select my center one. Again, I'm going to choose my triple wide screen. I'm going to use a 3:1 grid. I'm going to say center. Then I'm going to select my last one. Again, triple wide, output target, 3:1, and the right side. And now again, we can go in, we can adjust our blend area, and we can make this a little smaller, maybe like all the other ones. And we can adjust the blend of this second area so we can make sure they match up and do any color adjustments that we want. But that's how you would use a device like a dual head to go or a triple head to go to create an edge blended screen.